how would a day really look like on planet Venus? Before going to this, let's jump into a little bit of history. Now, Venus is quite close to Earth. It is really Earth's twin sister. Why? Because its mass, its size, it's somewhat similar to Earth. It's about 95% the size of Earth and 85% the mass of Earth. That means that your weight and gravity pull on Venus will be somewhat similar to Earth. When astronomers pointed their telescope towards Venus, what they saw was a bright planet. They thought that the planet could basically be reflecting about most of the sunlight, making the planet cool. Well, they were right about it reflecting most of the sunlight, but not about planet being cool. Some even speculated that under those thick clouds, there could be a tropical, climate on Venus. Means Venus would be full of jungle. During the Cold War, as USA pointed their focus towards planet Mars, USSR pointed its focus towards planet Venus and started the Venera program. Venera in Russia as Venus, the Venus program. During the span of 23 years, it sent 14 probes towards planet Venus, starting from a flyby to crashing on the planet to having a soft land to even taking pictures and audio of the planet. What it figured out that Venus was no less than hell. The temperatures were upwards of 475 degrees Celsius. It exerted 90 times the atmospheric pressure as compared to Earth, and the atmosphere was full of carbon dioxide and sulfuric acid. Means there was no way for life as we know it here on Earth to survive on planet Venus. But let's just assume for sake that science and technology has advanced to a point where it has made a spacesuit that can withstand high temperature, high atmospheric pressure, and can protect against all the solar winds and harmful radiations. So how would your day on planet Venus really look like? As you wake up on planet Venus, what you'll see is, well, there's no sunrise because you will not be able to see sun. Of course, you'll be able to see a glow behind the cloud, but you will not be able to ascertain what shape it is. Is it circle, square, or what shape? The atmosphere would be full of thick clouds. The light would be distributed across the planet, making it yellowish. And due to sulfuric acid and the atmosphere, what you'll see is yellowish glow throughout the planet. You'll also be able to see a lot of volcanoes there because Venus is active planet, means its tectonic plates are still active. There's a lot of earthquake and volcanoes erupting there. So you'll be seeing a lot of lava, a lot of volcanoes there. As the day goes by, in the evening, you'll see a reddish orangish hue near the horizon. Your visibility will be a lot lesser in the evening. And as you pass through the night, well, night in Venus will be altogether a very different experience. Before going to night, let me tell you this thing, that a day on Venus will be 117 days long here on Earth. Because Venus, well, it's not tidally locked with sun, but it rotates at a very slow pace. Means 4 months here on Earth will be just 1 day on Venus. Means your day and night will be pretty long. As you inch towards the night, you will not be able to see much. Even with super bright flashlight, you will not be able to see farther than few kilometers. What would you be able to hear there? Venera 14, which was sent by USSR, was able to record the audio there. Just hear this audio and what you're going to experience there on Venus. Yes, you'll experience a lot of wind, a high speed wind, and almost hellish like sound. So as the night transcends, you will not be able to see anything. It will be an unsettling dark there. Occasional lightning will happen. It will make things visible like volcano erupting, and it'll expose the rocky surface of the planet, but it'll nonetheless be very unsettling experience. So this is how your day on Venus really be like. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you next time around. Bye bye.